How many files do you think are produced each month as part of the Environment Agency's asset management activities, including work by our own teams and delivery partners during design, construction and maintenance? 1,000? 3,000? 6,000? Well, if one person creates 10 files a month, the whole team could produce 200 a month, scaling up to as many as 10,000 files each month. That's 120,000 a year. From creation to sharing to collaboration and publication, these files help us make key decisions at each stage of the asset lifecycle, from how they're designed and built to their operation, maintenance and disposal. But right now, finding the right files at the right time can be a real challenge. If we can't find what we need when we need it, we can't make informed decisions in a timely manner. We end up wasting time searching for files, reprocuring them, or duplicating what's already there. It's frustrating and stressful for you, and means we're spending time and money that could be invested more efficiently elsewhere. If we could just get the information we need at the right time, we could avoid all of this, making asset management at the Environment Agency a better place to work. So, here's the good news. We're starting to do things differently. We know that in a fast-paced digital world, managing files efficiently is crucial. So we're introducing Strategic File Management, a project that aims to integrate AI to help optimize file management for smarter workflows, and offer a seamless system where AI assists in categorising and retrieving files instantly using metadata, eliminating clutter, boosting productivity, and allowing you to focus on work that matters, giving you the capability of finding the key files needed to manage our asset information more effectively. By standardising our processes, you'll be able to locate the files you need across different systems easily, tracking a single document that grows and evolves, rather than dozens of unique versions and copies. This doesn't just make it easier to find the right documents, it reduces the manual effort involved in managing this information, giving you back the time to focus on work that drives real impact and progress. This helps us avoid unnecessary costs from reprocuring services for existing information, and will help us deliver a seamless user experience that will reduce stress for you and result in better asset management decisions being made. It also aligns us with industry standards, such as ISO certifications, so we can be certain that we're handling information in the correct way whilst enhancing the Environment Agency's reputation. So, you'll be able to find what you need when you need it, and we can all make faster, more informed decisions, meaning you can get on with the job of doing your job.